Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure SpO2 or the blood oxygen levels on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. So first of all, wear your Apple Watch onto the hand on which it has to be located, and make sure that it's farther from the palm of your hand than usual, and of course unlock it, and then press the digital crown to open the list of all applications, then open the blood oxygen application from the list. Let's close this result, don't need it. Okay, and once you're ready, you have to rest your wrist on the table if you can. Generally speaking, try to make your device face up, and try not to move during this operation. So let's go back to the blood oxygen up, and when you're ready, tap start and try not to move. Okay, and here is the result. And that's how you can measure your blood oxygen or SpO2 levels using your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.